Hola. Let me see. I want to make sure the volume is up. Okay, so to do a Google My Business account, you go to Gmail and you have to create a Gmail account with your business name. Okay, so I'm going to go to my existing accounts. I got a bunch, but I'm gonna add an account. I've got all these, but I'm going to use another account. And I'm going to create an account. To manage my business. Let me see if it lets me do that. First name is Joe. So I'm going to put Jose Garcia. And let me see. I'm going to do Oxnard Pool Service. Oxnard Pool Service. Okay, I gotta do a password. Okay, next. So you would do this username is used. Okay, so Oxnard Pool Service Pro. So I just added Pro. 805. Okay, and then I also use that as my recovery. And then the date of birth. What's my birthday, Benji? 27th, 1966. Okay. Mail. Next. I'll verify your phone number not now. You should verify it when you're doing this. Then you agree. Next. Okay. All right. So then you go here and you go to the original Google My Business. They usually have it, but they don't. So go up here, open up another browser, and go to GMB. Google My Business. Sign in. And I already have one of these, but I don't want that one. I want to go to the one I just created. It's not here. Example. Okay, there it is. And this is where you start putting your business together. So it'll be Oxnard Pool Service. Next. Do you want to add a location? Customers can visit like a store. No. Because you mail, because this is, we go to their pools to their house, and then where do you serve your customers? I'm gonna say Oxnard. Say Ventura. Let me see if I can add more than one. Yep. Oxnard, Ventura. I mean, you can say California, for instance, or you can say USA, because you have, you sell to everybody, right? Oxnard, Ventura, Fillmore, Santa Paula, Ojai, Port Wainini. All right, so those are the cities that we want to service. Okay, there. Category would be pool cleaning service. Okay, contact phone number. It's this one. And for now, I'm going to put the Camarillo one. That Camarillo pool cleaning.com. I need to build one for Oxnard. Next. Finish and verify. So this is where you put your address to where the thing's gonna get sent. So I'm gonna put right. Next. So listen, I'm gonna pause this for now. Yeah, so I'm gonna call it. I have never had this. This is the first time I have this option. Is usually they're going to there's the call. Okay, so I'm verified now. That's cool. Okay, so now I'll get started and you just follow. Welcome to my business. Get started. Enjoy 100 credit. Verify your business. Spend 50 on Google Ads. Buy blah blah blah. No tanks. Okay. Offering pool service. Okay, so here it is. Info. You want to make sure you fill this out completely, right? So this is the info. No business location customers can visit. This is the areas we service, the hours. We're closed on Sundays, open on, I'm gonna put 24 hours just so it can go fast. You gotta fill all this out just because if you have asset, they don't like it. You know that you want to seem real. You don't want to do half-ass information. Add a short name, no URL, services. Okay, so basically I'll go to my website. I'll do that. Camarillo. Here you go, right here. And I will copy and paste, this like right here, a brief description. Boom. Boom. Where am I at? Oh, shit, wait a second. What happened? What happened? Is it this one? Let's pay 1%. Okay. Info is the right spot. Make sure service. Okay. Okay, maybe that's the wrong one. Pool service. Pool cleaning service. Oxnard. Pool clean. Oxnard. Pool service. Ojai. Pool service. Okay. Section name, add section. Okay, message, facials, haircuts, golf lessons, tax. Okay, so I have 140 characters. I can probably keep going. Go Santa Paula Pool service. You get the picture. Okay, try to use all 140 characters. I enter at least one item per section. Item name. Hang on a second. Do I want to do this? I don't think I want to do this. I'm going to cancel this. Do you would be able to do it because you have skirts. You can put skirts in here. You can add a section for skirts services. Because if you do this right here, item, enter, this one item per section, the price, you add the description up to 1,000 words. So you can add a skirt right here. Okay, so that's good for you, info. Then business description. This is where I want to go and put all this stuff on here. Okay, what I copied from my website. Apply. Okay. Then open. When I opened, I usually put 2013 because that's when I started this. April, and I just guess, you know what I mean? It has to be accurate. Apply. And you add photos, but let me make sure I got everything else right. Add your URL, which is the same one as this. Yeah, I already have it. Okay, and then you start adding photos. Okay, it's super important for you to add photos. If you have a logo, upload a logo. Photo, and for my logo. So it's going to be my logo. Okay, and then I'll set as a logo. Over the logo, you can add videos and you can add more photos. Just click here and you can add more photos, and then that's pretty much it. Everything's pending right now. It takes 24 hours, sometimes shorter, to get you approved. Looks like maybe it's already approved. Oh, this is approved already. Okay, so that's how you do it. And you start doing posts too. You can start posting events, offers, products. You can start making posts and then sharing them. Create your first post. What are you selling? Add a photo, a video, 1,500 words to describe it, and you publish it. Full service, as you can see up here. I don't come out yet. These guys come out first. Yeah, but my other side does come up. Just kind of cool because we also service Camarillo. I mean Oxnard. But we don't come out yet. So a couple days, we'll check it. Okay, hope it helped.